143 feet. You don't cruise on it, you live on it. This is Azimut's flagship, the Grande 44M, built in Pesaro since 1969. Carbon fiber keeps it light for its size. But this isn't a boat you spec out on paper. It's a boat built for the kind of week where you never need to find a marina, 4 decks of outdoor living. You're on the water at 8 in the morning, foredeck with the wind in your face, aft pool deck as the sun goes down, sky lounge when the weather turns, main deck when dinner moves outside. You don't run out of places to be at anchor. This is what 143 feet of outdoor platform looks like. The pool opens to the ocean. The terraces stack 4 levels deep. Every level has its own view of the horizon. You don't share the deck with anyone unless you want to. 4 things that matter when you're living aboard for a week. Zero-emission hotel mode. Silent nights at anchor without the generator running. Carbon hull, lighter than it should be at this length, quicker to respond when you want to move. Convertible owner suite, reconfigures for long passages or short hops. 4 independent outdoor decks. Everyone spreads out, no one's in each other's way. Day 6 on the 44M interiors by M2 Atelier. Warm and calm enough that you forget you're on a boat. But that's not why you're here. You're here because the aft pool is lit at sunset and the horizon goes forever, and there's no particular reason to go back. That is what this boat fundamentally enables. Not a destination, a way to stay longer. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.